A horse. A tree. A cake. A box. A fridge. In. A big ball and a small ball. A brown horse and a black dog. A blue pen and a yellow pen. A red tree and a yellow tree. A black horse and a brown horse. A white cake and a yellow cake. The green book and the yellow book are in the box. The green car and the red car are under the desk. The black horse, the brown horse and the dog are under the tree. The ring and the orange are on the book. The red sweater and the white sweater are in the bag. The orange and the lemon are in the fridge. Where are the cake and the lemon? The cake and the lemon are in the fridge. Where are the red pen and the blue pen? The red pen and the blue pen are in the cup. Where are the green tree and the yellow tree? The green tree and the yellow tree are in the office. Where are the black cup and the orange cup? The black cup and the orange cup are in the box. Where are the computer and the box? The computer and the box are in the car. Where are the black horse, the brown horse and the dog? The black horse, the brown horse and the dog are under the tree.